you know that this is not just a doctor. He's a successful doctor.
First ever Rolex ko.
First ever kape mo pa?
Oh, lasang ano kasi. Lasang...
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Fahrenheit.
Thank you so much, guys! Thank you so much! What's up, guys? Another watch, another day. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa BGC, guys. We have a client that's looking to buy watches. Kaya, samahan nyo ako. Pero bago yun, guys, may pupuntahan muna tayo. We will go to the Rise Up na True Life na event because we're invited to be an event speaker doon. Kaya, doon muna tayo and then later on, punta tayo sa BGC branch natin para magdandilan. Tropa mo sikat. Video mo. Tropang sikat.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Fahrenheit. Grabe, dami nyo pala. Hindi ko alam. Sino dito yung mga may skill set? Yung mga video editors, yan. Script writers, voice over. A lot of people right now are angry with AI. Bakit? Kinuha na yung mga trabaho natin, tama? Bago magalit yung mga scriptwriters or yung mga video editors, why don't you utilize AI to create better experience for your clients? Instead na umiyak kayo na inaagawan na kayo ng trabaho. So the perspective that you have to instill in your mind is to use every resource that you can to your own benefit. Akala ng tao AI is a threat. No! It's a blessing in disguise. Nakikita nyo sa mga vlogs namin, di ba? Minsan, pag sinabi kong chef ako, biglang lumalabas, parang chef talaga ako, yung mukha ko doon. That's AI. Our media team were able to utilize AI. AI needs someone to communicate to them. And I think that's the biggest thing right now that you guys are able to utilize.
Thank you so much, guys! Thank you so much! Thank you so much! Nice one, ha? Galing ng speech mo, Boom. Okay ba? Galing. Okay.
Ako, Boom.
Smooth!
Thank you, sir. Ingat.
So yun, guys, we're back here at 31 by Gentry Timepieces. However, nagkasakit, medyo tinangkaso daw si client, kaya bukas na lang daw siya pupunta. So samahan nyo ako bukas, guys. Dadandilan natin yun. What's up, guys? Another watch, another day. Dito tayo ngayon sa 31 by Gentry Timepieces. And meron tayong client, of course, that came today. Nag-order kasi siya ng Submariner date na brand new. Samahan nyo ako, guys. Dandilan tayo. We already ordered it to have it PPF, which is the PPF na natin. Of course, yung PPF natin na napakaganda. Pare, legacy PPF yan. Tayo lang natin dumating si client. Chill na tayo. Kape-kape. Tara, dyan na si client. Boss! Kamusta? Hi! Nice to meet you, boss.
Nice to meet you, finally.
How are you?
I'm good.
Tara, boss. Doon tayo. Anyway, boss, I already have your order. Tapos naka-legacy na PPF na rin to, boss. Makikita mo kung gaano kaganda pag naka-legacy PPF. This is the Submariner. Date reference 126610 LN. This is the latest 2025. So you have warranty up to 2030. Makikita mo yan nakasulat. Legacy. So we're exclusive provider and distributor ng Legacy dito sa buong Pilipinas. Check mo na, boss.
Nako.
Daddy is dead, huh?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Nice to meet you, Athena. Oh, anyway,
Nako po.
what do you think?
Sobrang ganda.
Actually, yung PPF niya mas nagpaganda. Nagbigay ng another character para dun sa relo mo. And hindi siya kasi halatang naka-PPF. Would you like to have coffee?
Yeah.
Anong coffee yan?
Over ice sana.
Do you want something sweet or
Caramel meron ba?
caramel?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And for you, sir?
Hindi siya nag-coffee.
Kung ikaw magtitimpla, bossing, iinumin ko yan.
Pagtitimplaan kita. Gusto mo?
Yeah!
Requested by the client. Gagawin natin yan. Less than 3 minutes, di ba? Ganun lang kabilis yun. There you go.
Wow!
Have a sip. You try and then sa coffee lover na si ma'am, you try as well.
Hindi siya mapait, no?
Oo.
Tamang-tama nga, no? Pero, Sir Hai ba, open ka ba for ano?
Alin?
Lasang ano kasi?
Nasa?
Lasang isa pa.
Walang problema, boss. So, we're talking about 899 plus 15k na PPF. We're talking about 914,000 pesos for this very beautiful watch.
Pare nga, first ever Rolex ko.
First ever kape mo pa. And, meron ka pang hoodie. Tingnan mo naman kung gaano kaganda, boss. Ano, boss? How much? 914 with the PPF.
914?
Yes.
Wait lang, may sasabihin kasi anak ko. What do you wanna say, Tito Han?
What do you want to say?
Again.
Dahil mamaya lalabas
Mamaya,
yan.
lalabas yan.
Di ba ba naman 860 ba?
Ako nga, 850 nga yung nasa utak ko eh.
October na, fourth quarter na tayo.
So, 850 plus yung PPF na how much is the PPF?
Kaso 50k yung kape, paano yun? The best I can do is ilibre ko na yung PPF, that's it. 900 pesos agad mo na. Kasi boss, Submariner dito eh, sobrang bilis. So if you have something that's moving very fast, basically won't be able to profit much from it.
Patawarin mo naman na ako.
Yun na nga, pinatawad na.
Sorry na! You have no idea kung anong convincing ang ginawa ko sa misis ko. Sabi ko sa kanya, Mami, gusto ko ng Rolex. Pakinggan mo yung mga pinagsasabi ni Paring Hyde.
May convincing power, people start listening to you, of course.
Yeah.
Yun yung trophy mo. When I go to you and I tell you that I'm a watch dealer without a watch, it would give an impression. Now, if I go to you and I say that I'm a doctor and with a watch as well, na Rolex, you know that this is not just a doctor. He's a successful doctor.
Kaya
What do you
boss,
think?
may naisip na ako. It's
Boss, hanggang 900 lang talaga ako. You get yung Dundee coffee mo, you get yung Dundee hoodie mo. It's a really good price.
Meet halfway na lang. 890. Last na yun.
Last na, Dundee coffee. I'm enjoying also my coffee. I'll do 895, that's it. I can't do more than that.
Sige na, Daddy.
That's son. Thank you so much. Maraming
Oh,
salamat.
sige.
Ako nga yung Dundee hoodie mo.
XL.
Thank you, boss.
Pare, naka-Dundee hoodie ka lang kahit di ka na magsuot nito. Alam na nila. Uy! Maraming salamat ha.
Masarap yan.
Actually, nagdala kami ng piyaya kasi galing kami Bacolod
Of
eh.
all time, ang favorite snack ko.
Ah, talaga ba?
Wow! LA Bake Shop. Home of the original cheeseburger. Ito ha, huwag mo bibigay kahit kanino to ha.
Sir Hyde, actually, if you don't mind, may gusto sana kitang videohan and if I can ask like 3 to 5 questions lang.
Yes!
Head and founder kasi siya ng isang community.
Shoutout mo naman LZR Capital.
And shoutout sa LZR Capital Community.
Sobrang saya nito, promise.
Ganyan din ako, ma'am. Ako ang vent out ko rin sa mga binibili kong bisyo. Then ako
Ano ba bisyo mo?
Mga pen, mga luxury pens. Kay Tito Calvin na ako bumibili. He is doing whatever I'm doing, pero luxury pen siya.
Gusto ko na talaga ma-interview sa Paring Hyde.
Oh, interview mo ko. Sige.
Sir, thank you very much. Hihi!
Habang nag-aantay tayo.
Hey, what's up guys? JC right here. Nandito ho tayo ngayon sa 31st Gentry. Together with me, Paring Hyde.
Wow, thank you so much, boss.
Paring Hyde, no? With all the success and fame that you have right now, why luxury watches? Eh, marami namang ibang negosyo.
I really love watches. It's a hobby for me. And then when you do something that you really love, you will be unstoppable talaga. That was one of the keys. Kaya I did not decide to focus on luxury watches. Dumating na lang siya na biglang sideline ko lang siya. Unti-unti nagiging main business ko na siya.
Dumating ba sa point na, did you ever doubt yourself?
Of course, may mga time talaga na i-doubt mo yung sarili mo. But of course, it's also you can pick yourself up. You know, doubting yourself is actually quite good. It's realization yung doubting yourself. Eh. Like, are we gonna be like this in the upcoming months pa ba? Is this something na hype lang na mawawala din? But throughout, we've been here 2 years na. So, I work every day like I just worked since day one.
How important yung circle of influence na ng mga taong nakapalibot sa'yo?
100% yun yung pinaka-importante sa lahat, your environment. If you walk with 3 idiots, you'll be the 4th. If you walk with 5 businessmen, you'll be the 6th. So for me, napakaganda ng environment namin tsaka yung circle of friends. That's my utmost priority lagi.
Alright, so it's a pleasure. You heard from the man, Paring Hyde Mendoza.
Hi, can you give Daddy this discount for clothes, please?
Yes, I already gave him a very good discount.
1, 2, 3.
High five.
First signing.
Cute ng mga bata, you know? Thank you guys! Bye-bye! Ingat, ingat. Bye-bye. Grabe. What a lovely family. Nakakataba ng puso yung mga ganyan. Ano ba yan? Dundee.